Now that it's autumn, you're likely seeing chrysanthemums in all the stores. They're so beautiful, full of flowers, and they bring a lot of color and joy. Then maybe you bought some for yourself. But sometimes, before you're ready for them to start fading, some of the blooms do. So you can just pinch them off. You can also use pruners to cut right above a set of leaves, like that. And this will make it look more tidy, but also give space for new flower buds to form, like this one. And if you cut in the right spot, nobody will ever know that you had any withered blooms. Mums are profuse bloomers. You can see that there are buds all over the place. You can use your nails to remove the spent flowers if you'd like. Just make sure to cut above a set of leaves. Look, this little section right here of buds and new blooms just popping open.